disclaimer. This is not a makeup tutorial, okay? Not happening, honey, not happening. I do not know what I'm doing. This is just a daily routine of my makeup, okay? Just another day, another slay. Just another day, another slay. No, I'm gonna just be doing my makeup. You don't have to pay attention to it. Listen to the fun facts if that's what y'all want. Who's calling me? Ray's calling me. I'm gonna call you later. Let's not interrupt my video. Okay, let's not do that. Ew, okay, I'm gonna look like Loompa Loompa. Like, why is this so orange? Okay, fun fact number one, I do not know how to do makeup. Kidding, that's not a fun fact. I do know how to do makeup. I do know how to slay this face. Okay, fun fact number one. I lived in 6 different countries. Yes, honey, I'm an international little baddie. So I was born in Brazil. I left when I was 7. Then I moved to South Africa, lived there for 2 years. Then I went to Germany for 6 years. And then I went to Sweden for 4 years. And that's where I graduated high school. Then I went to Canada for 1 year. And now I'm living in the United States of America since 2 years now. And I am planning to stay here 1 more year because, honey, your girl got her visa. Her OPT, her work visa for a year. Fact number 2. Following the first fact, I speak 3 different languages. Hallo, wie geht's? Also, weißt du, ich kann auch Deutsch reden. And I also speak Portuguese. Tudo bem, gente? Ok? Eu estou aqui arrasando. Eu estou arrasando. And then I speak English. And I don't speak Swedish, not for even a little bit, but I lived in Sweden for 4 years and I know the basics. I know the basics. I know someone's talking shit about me and that's, I think, all I need to know. Okay, honey? Okay, honey? Varsågod. Fact number 3. Well, talking about languages, my other fact is that my own mother does not speak English. And let me just tell you something. I speak the best English out of all the 3 languages I know, and the least language that I can speak is Portuguese, and my mom pretty much only speaks Portuguese. So can you just imagine how interesting our relationship is? Very interesting. Fact number 4. I have worn wigs for 3 years of my life, non-stop. I'm talking back to back, honey. Nobody will catch me not wearing a wig. Nobody will catch me with no freaking weave. I didn't wear my natural hair for 3 years. Can we just let that sink in? Sis, how? I literally just started wearing my natural hair 6 months ago. Fact number 5. Another fact about me is that I had a tumor. I had a tumor. Cancer sucks. And it really does. See? Even my dog agrees. Bijou, we hate it with passion. So I had a tumor, but it wasn't cancerous. Thank God. Thank God. So I had it in between my 2 hearts. Whoa! In between my 2 hearts? Okay, chill. What am I on? In between my lungs. I had a tumor between my lungs. It was in my bone called the thorax bone. And it was also actually really closely placed to the heart. So they had to remove it, and the doctors told me they may take a piece of my lung and my heart membrane out because they thought the tumor was attached to it. But it wasn't. Psych. It wasn't. So your girl was fine. They just removed the tumor, and here I am, happy and healthy. And that's where the scar comes from. A lot of the people think I have a heart transplant, but it's not. I had a tumor removal. So that's what happened. It happened 3 years ago in 2016. It was a tough moment in my life, but it made me to the woman I am today. Let me just do my eyebrows because I can't be talking and doing my eyebrows. Like, I can't. I need to take my eyebrows very seriously. No matter what you do, take your eyebrows seriously. Oh my God, help. Okay, help. Help! It's over, okay. I'm here just about to tell you guys how to take your eyebrows seriously, but my eyebrow pencil ran out. I don't have another one. How am I gonna leave the house? How? Do you see this? It's not coming out. Okay, wait. Let me just search my room and hopefully I magically find another freaking eyebrow pencil. Even better, I found a Benefit eyebrow pencil that I forgot I even owned. Okay, so you know what? It worked out for its best. Fact number
6.
Okay, so another little fun fact about me. I never watched The Lion King. Yeah, I pretty much never really had a proper childhood. Like, it's okay. It's okay, I never really properly had a childhood. And that is totally... Yeah, I really don't care though. Like, I really don't give a fuck. I can watch it whenever I want. I just decided not to watch it. Like, because I feel like once you grow up, like, who the hell wants to watch a freaking Lion King? I mean, okay, I kind of do. And I'm gonna watch the original one, and then I'm gonna watch the Beyonce Lion King. Okay. Y'all probably thinking, like, what the hell is she doing with her face? But let me just tell you one thing. I have no idea. But all I know is that I look cute in the end, and that's all it matters, right? That's what makeup is there for. Put on some highlighter, and just to know, you know, like, appreciate this glowing moment. I'm not gonna be saying any fun fact because I just want the focus to be on this highlighter, because sometimes you gotta just stop the world to show your glow. That's the motivation of today. That's the inspiration. So let's do it. Damn, the shade. My highlighter is not popping today. My highlighter is not popping today. And that could totally be because of this other fun fact that I'm about to tell you that's gonna shock the nation. Fact number
7.
So, you know, a fun fact about me is that I don't drink water. This flourishing baddie does not drink water. Well, peek the water in the bag. Let me just show you guys. So, this glass I poured today morning. I poured 1 glass of water today morning. And look at how much water there's left in this glass. You guys just saw me drink the most amount of water that I drank this entire day. And I am done with the makeup and done with this video. Okay, so I'm done with all these fun facts. Hopefully you guys thought it was interesting. You know, hopefully you guys got to know your girl a little bit more. You know, I just thought it would be interesting to share some little things about me. And a lot of the things that I shared with this video, you guys have been asking on my Instagram. So, you know, here are the answers to your questions. I've been very consistent. Can we give myself a round of applause? Because I have been consistent posting on my YouTube channel, okay? I've been posting at least once a week, and I don't plan to stop. Honey, I'm gonna keep posting more. I'm gonna keep posting videos. You know, your girl's feeling motivated. We're finishing 2019, and I wanna finish it in a good note, honey. I wanna finish it in a good note. Please hit the like. Please hit the subscribe. Please leave a comment, and please make me lice. Lice? Okay, wait. I'm never gonna rap in my entire life. But just say, keep me lice. This was it, okay, honey? This was it. This is it. This is it. This is it. I know I have to go, okay? I have to go. Bye.